Okay, this is the control pad. Okay, I'm coming to fix the joystick. It's not working perfectly. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not working. Okay, it malfunction. Sometimes what is causing this thing, like sometimes the sweat, like when you are playing it, you sweat so much, the sweat will go inside and damage the components inside, these kind of things. Okay, it always happens to this kind of game pad. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, sometimes water pour on it, maybe you're eating, water pour on it will cause this kind of problem also for the joystick not to work perfectly. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, you have to open it, you have to remove this cover first. Okay, remove this cover, remove here also. Okay, take it out, put it one side. Okay, take out the screws here. Okay, then take out this other one here also. You have to remove them. You just ace them up with the clip for just first to ace it up, it will come out by itself. Don't need to scared. Ace it up like this and remove it. Okay, there's screw inside that you need to take out. Take out the screw. And this one also, remove it. Just ace it up. Okay, remove the last screw inside. Okay, after you open it like that, you try to open the clip, just ace it up. Okay, see there's two clip here, just open them like this. This will come out. Okay, just try to open it. It's a bit hard sometimes, but you just try to open it like this. Okay, take out this one. Okay, then disconnect the battery, remove the battery, disconnect it, just pull it on one side. Okay, take out the screw. Okay, remove this one. Before you remove it, disconnect this camera here. Be careful, remove it from inside, take it out, put it one side. Okay, then remove this one also. You slowly, you can use your hand, just pull it up. This one also, you can use your hand, you pull it. Disconnect this one also. Okay, and remove this one here also, just like this. Okay, and this one also here, just like this. Okay, you can see the sweat, you see the dirty. All these things can cause problem for these things when you sweat so much. That's why when you're playing using this thing, you sweat so much, you have to wipe your hand and continue play the game. Okay, you remove this cable, disconnect them. Make sure you know where you disconnect them from. Okay, remove the black, you know the black is at the top there and the red one is the first one. Okay, and remove this one also from here. Don't forget the yellow is at the top. Okay, same also this side. Okay, remove the red one also. Here also, yellow at the top. Remove this one also. Okay, then you take out the motherboard. Okay, try to ace it up. Okay, there is a clip there, ace it up like this. Remove this one and put this one side. You see the many dirty inside. Okay, put it one side. Okay, you see the joystick, so many dirty inside and sweat. That's why the joystick is not working. Remove this one, take it out. As you can see, so many dirty. Okay, you have to clean it. You have to clean it very nice. Okay, it's because of this dust, so many dirty and sweat. That's why it stopped working. Sometimes works, sometimes not working. Okay, then you have to use a spray like this. This kind of spray, any spirit like, you just spray it inside the side like here. You spray inside like this. Okay, you put the spray and you just shake it like this. Shake it so the spray will go inside and clean everything very nice inside. Just do it like this. Okay, so the dust will come out from inside because this is the sensor. This two is the sensor. When the sweat or dirt go inside, it always happens like this, like the joystick malfunctions. So you always do it like this. After you put the spray, do it like this. Just knock it like this. Okay. Okay. After you clean it very nice. Okay. Then now you need to fix everything back. Make sure you clean. Okay. Fix it back. Clean everything very nice inside. Okay. Also here, clean it. Remove all the dirt. Okay. Then you fix it back inside. Fix it inside back very nice. Okay. Then fix all the connector back you take out. Fix everything back very nice. All the connector you remove, fix them back very nice. Fix this one back. Make sure you fix everything. Okay, fix everything back very nice. Then you solder all the cable back you take out. Make sure you know where you're soldering them. The red one is down. Okay, the black one's up here. Okay, make sure you're soldering everything. The yellow is up. Green one down. Make sure you're soldering all this one also. Okay, after you soldering everything very nice. Okay, now you put back this cover. Don't forget to fix back this camera here. Fix this inside very nice. Replace back the one screw you take out. Okay, and put back the battery. Okay, put back the cover like this. Fix all the clip very nice. Okay, replace back the screws you take out. Make sure you replace all the screw you take out. Okay, after you replace all the screw, okay, you put back the cover. Just put it very straight inside like this. Okay, then you press it in like this. This one also very straight. Just make sure you go very straight and you press it in like this. Okay, do the same thing to this. Just put it straight like this, push it inside and close it. Okay, now you need to test everything. Okay, now it's working perfectly, 100% okay. Now everything is good. I mean, it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.